Hi YouTube world! Today I was learning how to throw between 4 and 6 pounds and do marbling, and my goal was to make a large marbled bowl. Here I am weighing out my clay. This is a B mix and it was about 5 pounds. Now I'm starting to wedge it out. I don't know how to do a spiral wedge yet, but I'm working on that, so I'm just doing the sheep's head wedging. After that, I grab the red clay and weigh it out, and it was about 1/2 of a pound. And then I roll it up and just stick it on there kind of randomly, or if I have more of a vision, but I just kind of did it randomly. Now I am centering the clay and beginning to create my vessel. I'm trying to keep the walls nice and sturdy, but also keep them pretty level. And I wanted a slight lip at the top to give it a little bit of an extra character. And here I go wiring it off. So I dry off my hand really nicely and make sure all the slip was off of the vessel. And I actually had to take my splash guard off, and I was able to pick up the bowl, and really it wasn't malformed at all. It actually kept its shape really well. Here I am again. I did the same process. This was just 4 pounds of clay, and I decided to make like a large trophy kind of shape. So I'm pulling the walls, and then I started to shape the walls slowly and make sure I'm taking all of the excess water out of the bottom, because that can cause cracking. And then I make a little lip at the top, and once I'm done shaping it, I take off all of the slip. And I go a few times to take the slip off because it makes it a ton easier to take off of the wheel. I've been trying to throw with a lot less water recently.
That's cool. I like this shape.
Then at the end, I decided to throw some porcelain. I'm still quite the beginner, but it was really fun to try it out. I ended up centering it near the end there and shaping it kind of weird and wide, and it was kind of fun to just mess around and try out the porcelain after marbling. I would say that was a very successful day of just messing around and having fun and learning some new techniques. I definitely have a long way to go, but I am so excited to learn more. Thanks for joining me today.